Hi everybody, my name is Marissa with the Roanoke Public Libraries, and today we're going to read a picture book by one of my favorite Asian authors, Il Sung Na, and this book is called Bird, Balloon, Bear. It was Bird's first day in a new forest, and he was looking for a friend. So there's our friend Bird. He's looking for some friends of his own. It wasn't long before he spotted someone. You guys see who he spotted? I bet it was this guy. Oops. But Bird was too shy to say hello. Have you ever been too shy to say hello to someone new? See, he's trying. He's trying to get closer to Bear, but when he finally felt brave enough, it was too late. Bear already had a friend. So here's Bird up all the way up here in the tree, and here's Bear. And here's Bear's friend. Bear's friend is a big red balloon. "Hi," said Bear. There was no reply, but Bear didn't seem to mind. The friends spent all their time together. They played, they danced, they watched the sunset. Bird wished he could play too. So there's poor Bird watching Bear and his friend. Then one day, the wind carried Bear's friend away. Uh-oh. These pages are sticking together. There we go. Up, up, up. Maybe if you're at home, point which way is up. It's that way. Bird flew as fast as he could, but the wind blew, the branches swayed, and pop! Uh-oh. What happened to Bear's friend? Balloons in pieces on the ground there. I wonder how they're feeling. Hi, I'm Bear. Hi, I'm Bird. The friends played, they danced, and they watched the sunset together. The end.